and the sound is something like tuck 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 tuck. So this tuck 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 is 8 times. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, and again 4 times. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. And why 1 2 3? Because there is a beat like that. And now I'm going to show you steps how we need to do it. So it's 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Again, so we need to come forward. हमें आगे आना है और हिप हिट देनी है. कैसे? 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. In case you're not able to do that, अगर आप नहीं कर पा रहे हो, आप सिंपल फॉरवर्ड आओ और 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So एक हिप हिट में भी काम चल जाएगा. Okay? Once again, just see the steps first. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay? Last में just 1 2 and down. So hips up and down. Now, how your hips movements are. So, जिस पैर से आप आगे जाओगे, suppose we are moving forward from our right, हमारा left hand move होगा. Okay? So, initial 4 beats we need to leave. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 left, and from there we need to start. So, how are we going to do it? Left hand is at the top of your head like this. Okay? And right hand is down. And right leg or hip has to be up. So 1 2 3 1 2 3. So we just need to move or switch from left to right. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So this is our last position. Now lyrics part comes. So lyrics are abra kadabra sabra kabra dhoti kurta pehn ke घूमे दिल्ली हो या आगरा. See, I remember the lyrics. So let's quickly start with the steps. So we are here. Now abracadabra, abracadabra. So abra mein you have to just go little down, or you can just bend your knees. It's just this. Okay? Shift your weight from left to right. So abra, when she says or he says abra, you just need to bend your knees and abracadabra. So right, show your palm to the right, clap from your left and turn quickly. So abracadabra, pura sabra hai abra. Now on sabra, quick jump. So it's like jump. It's not 1 2. It's quick jump, right left. Okay? So pura sabra, touch your cheek or just head. Pura sabra hai babra. Babra mein head rotation. Simple this. Once again. Abracadabra, pura sabra hai babra. Dhoti kurta. So touch your dhoti as I am wearing today. Dhoti kurta. Kurta mein touch your kurta. Pehen ke ghoomi. It's very easy. Once you hear one step back, you just need to point your right and look little diagonal. Pehen ke ghoomi. So it's just switch. It's nothing. Okay? So right point, left point. So keep your hands here. Ghume, Delhi ho Agra. Now on Delhi, here you need to throw your left leg like this. Can you see? Once again, it's just twice. So keep your right and move your left. So throw. Bareli wale jhumke. And your hands, both the hands like a wave. And both the hands to your right in your profile. So bareli wale jhumke pe jiya lal jai. So jiya lal jai. Jai mein you have to shake your right leg. Bareli wale jhumke pe jiya lal jai. Okay, you can make it very simple. You also can do this or you also can do this, but shake it twice. Okay, once again, bareli wale jhumke pe jiya lal jai. Kamar lachkaye to lakhon gir jaye. So kamar. Now how you need to go profile and left right just twice. Touch your left side, touch your right side. On kamar lachkaye. So it's stand on your toes and shake your hips. So kamar lachkaye to लाखों गिर जाए. So लाखों गिर जाए कैसे करना है? कमर लचकाए तो लाखों. So you need to go forward. If you want to go forward, you can just do this while standing in one place. How I did? Cross your legs in left and right. कमर लचकाए तो लाखों. So now here, go here, and 1, 2 quick 2 steps. लाखों गिर जाए. So it's just like as if you're falling. Gir jai. You can do to your left, you can do to your right. All up to you or your comfort. Okay. And while I'm teaching you, please do not forget to click on the bell button so that you can get subscription of our video and you can get notification whenever we upload new videos. Okay. So once again from the beginning. From here. बरेली वाले झुमके पे जिया लल जाए. कमर लचकाए तो लाखों गिर जाए. So on जाए, come back. So on गिर जाए, welcome back here. So now music को आता है. So here it's very easy. Once you come back to your place, need to move your waist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and turn back. So steps are it's very simple. So gir jai, looking back and hold your belt or you just hold here and then move your waist. It's just this. Okay. It's not this. It's straight. Right, left. So just look at in front of the audience or you just have to look in front, make eye contact with the person you want to, and you just need to move your waist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On 7, 8 you need to round. And then once again start from right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And on 8 you turn to your back. Before I go any further, I also request you to please let us know how exactly you want our video to be done. Anything that you want us to add in our video. You want to improve our quality, you want to improve on me. Please let us know. Be really free and frank. Send me messages, just do comments in the section of comments underneath the videos. Let us know what all you expect. If you think that our videos are very easy, let us know. We'll make it a little complicated. If you think that our videos are very complicated and advanced, let us know. We'll make it easy for you. I just want whoever is watching should understand what I'm teaching. Okay? So moving on. After that, you take turn. Now, same lyrics they are repeating the lyrics. Okay? So first you take turn. Now, bareli wale jhumke. Same lyrics are coming. Let me show how we need to do in front. So bareli. It's easy. It's just left goes to right and your wrist is down and your hip is up. Left one. So this thing we वाले, वाले. So we are showing our earrings basically. वाले, झुमके. Chest drop. Once again. Self independent turn. बरेली, वाले, झुमके. So chest drop. जिया, नल. Now one, just look at me. Is left going, it's just crossing. झुमके पे, okay? झुमके पे, जिया, नल, चाय and hip drop. Now watch carefully. बरेली वाले झुमके पे, जिया. Left goes to right and right hand on your chest. जिया, नल, चाय and hip drop. Okay? Hip drop. कमर, लच, काय. Now कमर, right, left. So your legs are closed. They are not open. They are closed. Kamar, lach, kamar. It's just this. Close your legs and just sway. Right to left, left to right. Only twice. Kamar, lach, kai. On kai again. It's your waist is moving. Your profile left. Moving outwards. Kamar, lach, kai to lakho. Lak, both hands up. Kho, gir jai. So how you did? Basically कोई गिरता है, गिराते हैं like this. Okay. So gir jai and it is again on its on profile and on gir jai the left comes here and you will sit. So let me do recap for you. After this you took turn on 7 and 8. Now बरेली वाले झुमके पे जिया लग जाए. कमर लचकाए तो लाखों गिर जाए. So here we need to sit now. So most of the people find difficulty sitting while the dancing and how exactly quickly they have to sit. It's very easy. गिर जाए. Here on profile. Now my left is already at the back of my right leg. Okay? Just watch carefully how my moves are. So I am sitting like this. It's very easy, smooth. Okay? So gir jaye and sit and take turn. Half turn to your back. Easy. Now left is forward. Once again, let me show you. Gir jaye, sit smoothly with the help of your left leg and took half turn while sitting. And left leg is forward. Okay? Now, girl sings काहे मारे तू. So गिर जाए काहे मारे तू. On काहे मारे तू we need to take quick turn with the help of our hips to slide. It's very easy. Okay? काहे मारे तू. ताना. ताना में left right. बनता है सयाना. Join your hands. बनता है सयाना. Easy. So let me show you from front. बनता है सयाना. Once again. बनता है सयाना. ना मैं तेरे गुजरिया. Now जो हमने खड़े होके किया था एक स्टेप, ये वाला is same we have to do while sitting. Okay? So बनता है सयाना. ना मैं तेरी गुजरिया. Easy. It's just opposite. Once your left leg is going this side, both the hands coming this side. Means left leg going to right and both the hands going to left. काहे मारे तू ताना. ना 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 ना. ना मैं तेरी गुजरिया. गुजरिया यहाँ पे you profile now and your position is this. So these steps are ना मैं तेरी गुजरिया, ना तू मेरा, ना तू मेरा. It's very easy. So right leg and right hand both the same time. Okay? And going forward. मेरा दीवाना. So ना तू मेरा दीवाना. Hence you can do this or you can do that. Any which way, however it should be clear. ना तू मेरा दीवाना. So shake your feet and slide twice. Once again, let me take care of you. After गिर जाए काहे मारे तू ताना. तू बनता sweetie. It's quick. You are here. Left leg is down, and with the help of your right leg, you get up. So, sweetie, tera, and there is a music. So you need to get up, and then after left is forward and shake, shake, shake. Or it's shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. So 1, 2, 3, and you just need to go a little back and shimmy, 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 and go a little back. Once again. So, sweetie tera, and 1 step forward, shimmy, 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 and come back. Now, sweetie tera drama. So here, your energy should be double. Once you finish this, come back. Sweetie, now let me show all these steps. I may mess up with the lyrics, but I'll go on with the steps. So, sweetie tera drama, मचा दे हंगामा, लड़ा है जो नजरिया, जुल्म हुई दवा. Okay, now let me show you. Or let me teach you the steps. So once you come, shimmy, 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 come back. Now sweetie tera. Open your palms. Right, left. So you remember, we did this step. It's as similar as it. Okay? So this. You must have done this step before also. So it's just switching your or shifting your weight from left to right, moving your waist. Here you just need to go 2 steps forward. So same hand, same leg. Sweetie tera. Open palms. Drama. So drama mein it's just your fingers are moving and hands are forward, going forward. Drama. And both the hands up. Macha de hangama. It's very simple. It's just both the hands up. Macha de hangama. So hip, 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 hip. Macha de hangama. Ladai jo nazariya. So let me show you in front. It's just this ladai jo nazariya. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. It's your head is moving quickly. Okay. So here. Simple, and throw your foot 4 times. Okay, once again, sweetie tera drama, macha de hangama, लड़ाई जो नजरिया. हमें प्रोफाइल ही रहना है, अपने राइट में रहना है. और now we need to go back. नजरिया 4 बार किया, जुल्म हुई गवाह, and 4 times. So how are we doing? You remember you came forward. Similarly, we need to go back. Tuck. Tuck, 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 tuck. Easy? So, आपकी नजरिया जुलम. Wrist should be here touching to your forehead. Okay? And hips. It's just opposite. When right hand is up, left is down, and left hand is up, and right is down. So, जुलम हुई दवा. And make sure when you are going, you have to see there. Okay? So once again, sweetie tera. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sweetie tera drama, macha de hangama, ladai jo nazariya, जुल्म हुई दवा. After this, lyrics are हाँ तेरे है दीवाने, तू माने या न माने, सुन ले गुजरिया, जुल्म हुई दवा. ये बना हुआ है. Okay. So after this, हाँ तेरे है दीवाने. What you did? हाँ तेरे है दीवाने. Let me show you in front. Both the hands you are pointing in front. तेरे है दीवाने. तो जैसे हाथ जा रहे हैं, वैसे आपका स्टमक जाएगा और वेस्ट जाएगा. तेरे है दीवाने. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So make sure you hitting and moving. Okay? So तेरे है दीवाने. And just you're here from your right. Now jump to your left. So here, तेरे हैं दीवाने, तू माने या न माने. It's hit. It's very easy. We have done it many times in our previous choreographies. So hit, 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 chest hit, or chest out, out, along with the ends. दीवाने. अब सुन ले गुजरिया. Okay? सुन ले गुजरिया. You see the moves. Ta, ta, it's just moving outwards your wrist. One is here, another one is here, and back, back, back. So make sure that you learn this step, lower leg, very easily, because if not, then it will be difficult for you. So 1, 2, 3, same. 1, 2, 3, and down here, back. So let me recap for you from here. स्वीटी तेरा ड्रामा मचा दे हंगामा, लड़ाई नजरिया जुल्म